Hey guys, it's Mana from Monave, and today I will be showing you how to use our new Whipped Sunlight highlighter. So today I will be showing you what the white gold looks on me and the proper way how to apply it. So here I am applying it to my hand, just scooping a little bit out of the 7-gram jar so I don't have too much on my face, and dabbing it up and down my cheekbones, and you can see that shine is really sticking on there. It's really gorgeous. I already put some up closer to my forehead, um, and I am going to blend this in a little bit more with my beauty blender that already has a spray toner on it, so maybe it picks up a little bit more if I don't want it as pigmented. And you can see that's blending super awesome. I'm going to put some the leftover on my upper lip, my chin, my nose, and the center of my forehead to really give me a glisten. As you can see, it really brings together the entire look. Now this sunshine will definitely stay all day and will definitely also catch the eye of anybody who sees you as the natural sun kisses your face. This has been Mana with Monave Makeup, and I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. All of the makeup that I used on my face will be listed at the end of the video in the credits. Thank you so much and have a lovely day.